Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Tamara Knows History, where we talk about all things macabre, weird, and mysterious. Today's topic is the Great Smog of London, which happened in 1952. It was a disaster where air itself became a killer, and it was choking the city in a yellow black fog that claimed thousands of lives. So, in December of 1952, London was already infamous for its kind of like pea super dense fog mixed with coal smoke. But this time, something far worse descended. A cold weather system trapped pollutants close to the ground. So, for 5 days, the city was smothered like in a toxic blanket of sulfur dioxide, smoke, and chemicals. So visibility dropped to just a few feet. Buses crawled, cars stalled, and even indoor concerts were cancelled because the smog seeped inside. At first, Londoners treated it like another fog, but soon the true horror kind of started. Hospitals filled with patients struggling to breathe, the elderly, infants, and those basically with lung conditions collapsed in the streets. By the time the smog lifted, at least 4,000 people were dead, and later studies suggested that it was actually far higher, possibly close to 12,000 deaths, which is tens of thousands more left sick or permanently damaged, also. So imagine walking through London, street lamps glowing dimly in a yellow haze, the air tasting of sulfur, every breath is burning your lungs. People described it as a darkness at noon, basically a city swallowed by poison. So the smog was so thick that cattle in the Smithfield market suffocated. It wasn't just weather, it was a mass killer, basically, of people. The disaster shocked Britain. For years, coal smoke had been tolerated as part of London life, but the Great Smog forced change, so public outrage led to the Clean Air Act of 1956, which restricted coal burning and introduced smokeless fuels. It was a turning point in environmental awareness, showing that pollution could be as deadly as war. So, when we talk about macabre history, the Great Smog of London reminds us that the deadliest killer isn't always a person, it can be the very air we breathe.